Thank you for calling. May I have your name, please?
If
Thank you. How may I assist you?
I would like to make an appointment for a summer, uh, it says here summer maintenance service.
Thank you for letting me know. Our shop is currently closed today, but we can certainly arrange an appointment for your summer maintenance. Could you please let me know your preferred date and time?
Can you make it on Thursday, July 31st,
Thursday, July 31st, 2025 works perfectly. Could you let me know your preferred time for the appointment?
in the morning?
Got it. I'll note down a morning appointment for Thursday, July 31st, 2025. Could you please provide me with the best phone number to confirm the booking?
What time are you available?
On Thursday, our hours are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Would you like to schedule the appointment for 8 a.m. or a bit later in the morning?
Not later in the morning. And I just want to inquire how long will it take
For summer
for the
maintenance,
maintenance?
the duration of summer maintenance can vary depending on the specific services your vehicle requires. Typically, it can take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours. However, the team will be able to provide a more accurate estimate once they assess your vehicle. Would you like me to pass this question along to the team for confirmation?
Yes, please, because I have to wait.
Understood. I'll make sure to let the team know that you'd like to wait during the appointment and need an estimated time for the summer maintenance. Could you please provide the best
Okay.
phone number for the team to confirm the details with you? Thank you. Let me confirm that number back to
Yeah.
you. Say eight.
And one more. No, no.
Of
Okay,
course.
sorry.
Please go ahead
One
and
more. One more question. I would like to. How much do you think the summer maintenance will cost?
I jump in when the team is busy, so I don't have pricing details. Let me get an expert to call you back with those specifics. Would that work for you?
Okay.
Perfect. A member of our team will get back as soon as they can to confirm your appointment and provide the details you need. Thank you for choosing. Have a great day.